What's good, Hood Rich fam? Hood Rich Credit tapping in. Look, Hood Rich fam, today I got a quick and very special video for you guys today. So look, y'all, during the whole time that I've been posting on YouTube, I've been kind of receiving this misconception that a lot of people have when it comes to interest rates on credit cards. And I'm constantly seeing it. And yesterday was like the last straw. You get what I'm saying? I got somebody that messaged me on Instagram talking about, hey, I want to invest with my personal swipes, which I tell you guys, sometimes you can invest with your personal swipes. But the thing is, I don't have a 0% interest offer, and I'm trying to bust a quick play. He was telling me he was trying to bust a quick play that he was gonna make a return on his investments for the time frame of like 2 months. So it was a quick play, 2 months, and he was gonna make a return off his investment. He was gonna pay off the credit card, okay, with profit extra. So the thing is though, like what you guys have the misconception of is thinking that every time when let's say you don't have a 0% interest offer on a personal swipe, right, or a business swipe, whatever it is, right, and the interest rate on that credit card is something like a 24% interest credit card, right? What a lot of you guys think is if you carry a balance throughout that month when it comes to that credit card, right? Let's say you carry a $1,000 balance or some shit like that, right? A $2,000 balance. You guys think that you're gonna get hit with 24% interest on that month. I find this misconception a lot. Like a lot of you guys, that's why a lot of people fear credit when it comes to investing off the swipes. They fear credit, so they like, damn, I gotta like I'm trying to bust some quick plays because a lot of you guys are trying to bust some quick ass plays that you're gonna make some cash flow off, right? And you guys are scared to take that risk because you guys think you're gonna get hit with this large amount of interest, 24% interest in the month of me carrying that balance. That's not how it works, okay, you guys. So if you're trying to bust some quick plays, what you guys gotta understand is that's your annual percentage rate. Okay, you guys, there's a big difference. It's not your monthly like interest rate, if you understand what I'm saying. So like let's say for example, you got that 24% interest credit card, right? Divide that shit something throughout like 12. Like 12 divided by 24, what is that? 2%, right? So that's typically what you're gonna get hit with interest throughout the month. Okay, so whatever you carry, you're gonna get hit with something like a 2% interest. You get what I'm saying? Hopefully that doesn't confuse a lot of you guys, but I'm just rounding the numbers. It's not gonna be exactly 2%, but it's close to it, okay, you guys? So if you got a 24% interest credit card and you carry a balance, you're gonna get hit with something like a 2%, hit off whatever you carry. So that's what I'm saying. You're not gonna get hit with the whole 24% interest throughout the month. I'm trying to explain this to like in simple terms, that way you guys can understand it. But trust me, don't get too intimidated. If you guys trying to bust some quick plays, okay, I got my homeboy, he gonna put me on some game, like we're gonna make some quick cash flow. The thing is though, like my personal credit right now is not that good. You know what I'm saying? I got some high balances on some other personal swipes, and I got this personal credit card I have access to that has a good high limit that I could bust a play with right now. The only thing is though, it doesn't have 0% interest, right? So like let me give y'all a good example. So let's say you're trying to bust a quick play with something like Airbnb, right? Airbnb, the cost is gonna be like 5 bands, some shit like that, right? 5 bands, 5 to 7 bands, but let's say 5 bands. Okay, you gotta buy the furniture, the first month's rent, and then the security deposit, right? So they'll run you like 5 bands, right? You get the furniture like 3K, the security deposit, it could be 500 sometimes. The first month's rent, like a band 500. Depends where you stay at, right? So it's gonna run you like 5 bands. So let's say 2% off 5,000, right? Let's say you got a higher interest rate, credit card on the personal side with a 24% interest, right? So 2%, what is that? That's like, I think it's like $100. Okay, $100, right? You're gonna get hit $100 every month if you carry that balance. But like I said, this is for quick plays only if you don't have a 0% interest credit card. Because I know you guys trying to bust a quick play. Y'all trying to get out of your situation. But the thing is, you don't got access to business credit cards at the moment with good 0% interest offers. And you probably got a high balance on your personal, like I said, reporting. And it's fucking you up. Like you're not gonna get approved for funding right now if you got that high balance. Other institutions are gonna see that and they're gonna want to deny you unless you hide your credit card utilization, changing your due dates, right, and doing balance transfers. But yeah, that's the thing, man. 2% off 5,000, $100 every month. So if you're trying to bust a quick play, just know you're gonna get hit with $100, something like that, something similar. You get what I'm saying? $100, and the next month $100, and it's gonna keep adding up. That's what I'm saying. It's only for quick plays. So that's, like I said, that's not like exactly what you're gonna get hit with, but I'm just rounding it up. That way you guys can understand it in simple terms. So yeah, you guys don't get too intimidated when it comes to these interest rates on these credit cards. Because trust me, 24% is very high. Like, that's a high interest rate for a credit card. But some of you guys have relationships with credit unions when it comes to your credit cards that, have something like, what is a platinum card? Let me look for a credit union with a good platinum card. Let's say the Navy Fed swipe, okay? Navy Fed Platinum, because I forgot the interest rate. All right, so our lowest rate card, this one has 0% interest. I want to put the real interest rate that it offers. All right, so it's 10.24% to 18%. I've seen a lot of you guys with other credit unions that offer way lower interest rates. Okay, you guys, I'm pretty sure Alliant got some, good low interest rate swipes. Alliant personal credit cards. Like, a lot of you guys, like I said, man, y'all got relationships with credit unions that got low ass interest rates, man. I don't remember. That's what I'm saying. I gotta search this shit up. Credit cards. All right, they basically the same shit. 10 to 22%. That's it. But like I said, man, I know a lot of you guys have some credit cards with some low ass interest rates. I'm telling you, credit unions got the lowest interest rates in the game because that's the way they compete with major banks like Chase, Bank of America, TD Bank. Okay, you guys. So, like I said, it's for quick plays only, not for long-term purposes, because trust me, that interest rate is gonna add up. But keep in mind, if you're trying to bust a quick play, you're not gonna get hit with, like, let's say the 24% interest rate on your overall credit card, the annual percentage rate. That's not going to be throughout the month of what you're going to get hit with, okay? Divided by 12 months. So hopefully you enjoyed this quick little video. Y'all have a good day. The Hood Rich Way.